Here's an old MTD 4 horsepower snowblower. I just finished working on it. It's pretty old. I'd say it's about 30 years old. But the guy that bought it brand new, so he's looked after it all these years. I just serviced the carb on it and the auger belt system. It's got the throttle on the panel here, and it's got the gear system here as well, and it does have the safety levers on both sides. Some of the older machines don't have the levers, so I'll just give it a start and you can see it running. Unfortunately, I don't really have much snow to try it out in, so I'll probably just try it in the snowbank over here. Give it some choke, a couple primes, and the throttle has to be up. Anyways, it's a good little machine. It's in good shape. So it's a nice little classic model as well. And that motor, I'm surprised that it runs smooth the way it does for it to come, say.